In this video, you will learn how to use direct payments in TravelJoy. First, enable direct payments or funds. Go on your trip or group settings, then turn on direct payments or group funds to accept client payments directly instead of just authorization. Create or edit an invoice. With the trip dashboard, click Create an Invoice Direct or edit an existing invoice to convert an authorization line into a payment line. Set up a payment schedule. Add up each payment line with its due date like deposit, planning fee or final balance. Payments with the same due date will be grouped with the client invoice. Charge an authorized payment. On the supplier invoice, click on charge icon or the menu next to authorized line to process the payment. Review the amount and process fees before confirming. Collect and manage funds. After charging, the payment is deposited into your linked bank account or group funded balance, which you can later withdraw or use for supplier payments. Track via direct payment reports. Use direct payment report to view paid, unpaid and pending invoices. Export the report as you need to for bookkeeping and reconciliation. Now you know how to use direct payments in TravelJoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.